Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Was It Called? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your California Sales Tax portal. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search California Sales Tax Login. Then go to online service cdtfaca.gov. There you can see Login on the top right corner. Click on it. Then you will be redirected to our login page. There, enter your username. Then enter your password. Then press Login. Then you should be able to log in to your California Sales Tax portal. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Password or Forgot Username. And if you are new to California Sales Tax portal, you can sign up a new account by clicking Sign Up Now. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.